Method of factorization. Method of factorization is a topic from polynomial, and that is from class 9th. Okay, because this is the last topic. Before this, first I introduce the identities, and then with the help of identity, some expansions we are doing in the previous video. But last topic is factorization. Some numbers they are given, and then how you factorize the given identities given form. Okay, if you, first you take, I think first you require previous knowledge about factorization is prime factorization. Prime factorization, it means first you find out the prime factor of the first term, prime factor of the second term, and prime factor of the third term is there. Then you find out the prime factor of third term. Okay, then all terms you add on with the prime factorization, and then taking the common, or you bring out the common term in all. Okay, so that is a common factor. Common factor you taking outside, and rest of the term remaining, and then maybe use, suppose like any identity maybe you use, then also you factorize the rest of the part. So basically the concept of factorization is first you find the prime factor of the terms. Okay, so now here we introduce some questions, they are related with the prime factorizations, and now here we introduce factorize the following. Factorize the following, it means here we find out the factors. So before finding the factorize this term, so first we find the prime factor of this term. Okay, so first question we have 8x square, then 16xy square. Okay, so write down the first, like 8 is a numeric value, so we find the prime factor, that is 2 into 2 into 2, and x square, so x into x. Okay, then 16, so therefore first you find the prime factor of 16, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times you write down, and then x into y into y. Okay, so now this is the common term, this is cube, so here also 2 cube, and 1x is common, so 1x is also here common. Okay, y is here but y is not here, and x only one time here, x one time here, x is not two time here. So these three, 2 is 3 times and x is 1 time. So 2 is 3 times and x is 1 time. This is the overall common because here we underline. So that all underlined part you taking the outside 2 into 2 into 2 into x, and then the rest of the term here remaining x minus, this is common, this is also common. So remaining here 2 and then y and y. Okay, the rest of the term also you add on inside the bracket. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, add x and then x minus 2y square. Okay, so this is the factorize. Okay, because we have two terms, but there is no here likely they add on with the brackets, because now they have two factors at x and x minus 2y square. Okay, so this is very easy concept in which you taking like common. Okay, now start the second part, in which 5ab minus 20a square b square. Again we do the same, there is no change. Okay, so 5 you put as it is, because 5 having a no factor, only 1 is a factor, so 5a alone, b alone, then minus 20. Yes, 20 having the factor, like this 2 into 2 into 5, and then a square, so a into a, and then b also 2 times, so b into b. Okay, so I underline 5a here. Okay, so here 5a is also common, and there is no common term other than, okay, b is also common, so you will also underline b. Okay, so you taking outside 5ab. Okay, here all terms are common, so nothing is remaining, it means you put 1. Okay, so there is no term is remaining in outside, you taking outside, and then rest always be 1. And then minus 2 2s are 4, 4 as it is, a as it is, b and b. So you have 4ab. Okay, 4ab is the factor. So now this term having the factor 5ab into 1 minus 4ab. Similarly, now third part is, there are two brackets in third question. We have a minus b of whole to the power 4, and then plus b minus a whole to the power 3. Okay, so here a minus b, but here b minus a. Both terms are same, but they are different by the sign only. So now here we are taking the minus sign common, and here power 3 is given. So here a minus b whole to the power 4 and minus a minus b whole to the power 3, because here we take the minus sign common and minus is 3 times, because minus into minus into minus. Okay, you multiply minus 3 times and answer will be minus, so plus minus minus, you got minus sign here. And now we taking the common, like here power 4 and then power 3, so always you taking the least term common. So a minus b 4 or 3. Okay, so 3 is common and then 3 is common, then power 4, so 4 is 3 plus 1, so 1 is remaining, and then minus 1, because this is the overall common. So you have two factors, a minus b whole to the power 3 and then a minus b minus 1. Okay, you may also write down in this form a minus b whole to the power 3, a minus b minus 1. Okay, so therefore like a minus b 3 times is given, and another factor is a minus b minus 1. Okay, then last question, fourth is remaining, in which we have 3x minus 4 of whole square minus 6x plus 8. 3x minus 4 is a bracket. Okay, then fourth question we have 3x minus 4 of whole square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, this is a bracket, so you put as it is, there is no change in bracket, 3x minus 4 of whole square. Okay, but these two terms having a common, because 6 and 8 having common. So first we factorize like 6, so that is 2 into 3 into x, and 8 you can write down 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 is the common here and here, so 2 is outside, so you can write 3x minus 4 whole square and minus 2 is common, so minus is outside because minus is here, so rest of the term is 3x, you put 3x here, and then minus plus minus 2 2s are 4, so you write down 4 here and then 4. Okay, so now 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, now again common, so you are taking outside, and then rest of term, because 3x minus 4 is one time, but here square is given, so one term is remaining here, and then minus 2. Okay, so we have 3x minus 4 in the one bracket, and here 3x minus 6. Okay, so again I think 3 is common, because we know the table 3 to the 6, so 3 is outside again, and then x minus 2 is remaining, so we put right 3 x minus 2 and 3x minus 4. Okay, so there is the three factors. So maybe the possibility of any numbers they are given like in this form, and then you factorize. Okay, because in this all the equation having no identity, only the concept is any value is common in all terms, so then it will put outside, and then rest of the term will put in the bracket. That is the factorization of the like simple type of questions they are converted. Okay, so now factorize the question this, in which we use the concept like first question 4 minus 9x square. Okay, so now here there is no common term, 4 and 9, 4 is a factor of 2 into 2, 9 is a factor of 3 into 3, so there is no common between 4 and 9. So now here we use the concept of perfect square. So 4 it means 2 into 2, here we write down, 9 means 3 into 3 into x into x. Okay, so they are all in form of the whole square, all terms that is in perfect square. So you can write down in form of like 2 square minus 3x square. So okay, so we know that the identity a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. So you can write in form of like 2 minus 3x and 2 plus 3x. Okay, so this is also a part of factorization, because here we use the identity. And now second question we have x cube minus x. Okay, so both the term having x, so I think x is common, so you're taking outside x, and then rest of it now x square minus 1. So now again you use the condition of a square minus b square, because 1 also you can write in form of the square. So since again we use the identity a square minus b square, so a minus b, a plus b. Okay, if you use the identity, any identity you can use, but before of the using you write down the identity and then use the concept of identity. Okay, so we have x and then 1 time minus 1 time plus you can write, so x minus 1 x plus 1. So there is a 3 factor of this one. Okay, so now the last question is third, like okay, so right here we have third. Now 18 and 32. Okay, so I think they have a common factor. So first we factorize it. 2 into 3 into 3, and then a square y square, because it is form of completing a square. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we write down 2. That is, but common is 2 only. So you are taking outside 2 this term. So 2 is outside. Now 3 is square, a square, y square. So you can write here 3 square, a square, y square. But this is 2 square and 2 square. So 2 into 2, that is 4 square. Okay, so you also can write down in form of the perfect square, 3ay a whole square, and now minus 4 whole square. So again, since here we use the identity a square minus b square, because we know that a minus b and a plus b. Therefore, so this term you can write in form of 1 time minus and 1 time plus with the given number. Okay, so this is the concept of, this is a very I think logically this is very easy concept, because there is no more concept, more reasoning here. Only taking the prime factors, where any number is common, then put outside. If rest of the terms they form the identity, then use the identity and then factorize it, then you got the answer. Okay, so this question may be like fourth here also we use form of like x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Okay, so this is of square of square. So also you can write like x square of square and minus y square of square. So a square minus b square, use the same concept. So you write down the identity a square minus b square, that is a minus b, and a plus b. It means this terms you write down 1 time minus and 1 time plus. So x square plus y square. Okay, so but again we have the identity like a square minus b square. So same identity here we use, and now again we find the factor. So there are two factor again. So x minus y, x plus y, but third factor is x square plus y square, because plus having no identity, minus having the identity. So there are three factors. We have x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. They having three factors. So this is the concept of factorization, in which we do the some question they are related with the identities, and some question they are not related with the identity. Only you taking the prime factor, and then common terms you taking outside, and rest term you write down in the bracket. If some term is common again, then again you taking the common and then write down in the prime factors. Okay, so these are the very easy concept of factorizations, because all questions they are having the not too much identity. Only one time we use the identity and factorize the given term. So now we use the another concept and another form of the identity. Okay, then we have the another type of question in which we factorize. So there are four questions for the factorization. So first question is 27y cube minus 125z cube. Okay, so first we find the factor of 27, then we find the factor of 125. So we find the factor of 27, that is 3 into 3 into 3, and then y cube you put as it is, and 125 having 3 factor, 5 into 5 into 5, and then z cube. Okay, so I think 3 is 3 times, y is also 3 times, 5 is 3 times, and z is also 3 times. So you can write 3y whole to the power 3, and here you write down 5z whole to the power 3. Okay, so now here first we convert into the whole cube form. Maybe square is given, then we convert into the whole square, and then suitable identities here we put. And now we use the identity of a cube minus b cube. We know that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so value of a, that is 3y, and value of b, that is 5z. Okay, so now you put in bracket, and then you got the solution. So 3y minus 5z in one bracket, another like 3y whole square, and then plus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square, and then 3y minus 5z, and then 3y square, that is 9y square, 3 5s are 15yz, and then plus 25z square. Okay, so there are the factors of this term. Okay, then we have a second question. Again, 64, that is n cube, and 343 is n cube. Okay, so I think we know that 64 is a cube, like 4 into 4 you can write down 3 times, and n cube you put as it is. 343 is a cube of 7, that is 7 into 7 into 7, and n cube you put as it is. So now this term convert like in form of the whole cube. So 7n also, that is in cube. And then again we use the same identity, a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So you can write 4m minus 7n and then 4m of whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n of whole square. Okay, so 4m minus 7n and then 16m square plus 4 7s are 28 mn plus 49n square. Okay, so this is very easy concept. Only use the concept of the identity and then you put in given identity, because only you replace the value, you got the factorizations. Okay, so now we have a third part, like that is 216 whole x cube and 729 y cube. Okay, so now basically we know that 16 is a cube of 6, x already cube, so we can write here like 6x of whole cube, and 7 to 9 is a cube of 9, so you can write 9y whole cube. Okay, both, but one value is common here, 2, 3 is common. So first we write like factor, like first. Okay, so you can write like 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, and then 7 to 9, 9 cube it means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 3 3 3. Okay, so one pair is complete common here, 3 cube. So first you put 3 cube outside, and then the rest of the term like here x cube and y cube, so you can write here. So 2x of whole cube and now 3y of whole cube is common. So 3 cube is 27 and then 2x of whole cube minus 3y of whole cube. Okay, so you use the identity like a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And now only the replacement, because 27 is outside, only inside this bracket having the identity. So now you replace the value. So first bracket is a minus b, so you put 2x minus 3y in first bracket, and second bracket having the square term like 2x of whole square, so you write down 2x of whole square here, 2x into 3y plus 3y of whole square. Okay, so now this is the form of 27 2x minus 3y and then 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. Okay, so this is the simple factorizations. Now last question we have a to the power 7 minus plus ab to the power 6. So very simple thing like a in both the terms, so a is common, so remaining is a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, and now this 6 power here we convert like a square of cube and plus b square of cube. Okay, so here we use the identity of a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is related with the positive identity. So now we have a is outside and then first bracket is a plus b, so you put a square plus b square in the first bracket, and second bracket a square of a square plus, sorry, minus sign here, a square b square and then b square of whole square. So a square plus b square you put as it is a to the power 4, a square b square and b to the power 4. Okay, so this is the concept of factorization, in which first you will be taking the common. If common is not possible, then directly we convert into the form of whole square, form of whole cube, and then use the suitable identity and put in the identity, and we got the factors. Okay, so now one more question, they are ready with the completing square. So this question is like x square plus 2x plus 1, and then there are 4 questions. So now start for the first question. We have x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so 1 is already in form of square, so 2x and now 1 square. Okay, so first here we use the concept of identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b of whole square, which is possible or not. First here we check out, because x is 1 time and now 1, so that is possible. So you can write down this term into x plus 1 of whole square. So this is very easy going, in which you convert, that is a form of completing square. And now which is the second question, again you put the same. 9a square minus 6ab plus b square. Okay, so first here we write down the complete squaring, that is 3a of whole square, and then b, that is also in form of the whole square, and now minus sign, so you put minus sign here, and then formula is 2 into a is 3a, and now b, that is b here. So this is the concept of a square plus b square plus 2, because 2 3 are 6 and ab, so 6ab is already here. And now we use the identity of a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is, we know that a minus b of whole square. So this concept is 3a minus b of whole square. Okay, and then third we have a question x square minus 8x plus 16. So again there is no new concept. X, that is in form of whole square, 16 also we know that is of whole square, and then 2 into x into 4. So since again we use the identity of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is a minus b of whole square. So we know that x minus 4 of whole square. Okay, so last question, fourth, we have 16x square 40xy plus 25. Okay, 25y square. Okay, so you can write down 25y square. So 16x square, that is, we know that 4x of whole square, 25 also we know, plus 5y of whole square, and then 2 into 4x into 5y. So since we know the identity of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is a plus b of whole square, and also we know the value of a, that is 4x, and then 5y of whole square. So these all questions, they are ready with the completing square. Here also we use the concept of maybe identity like in form of the factors. So they are all questions, they are ready with the in factorization concept. Okay, so we have the more idea about it, because all questions, they are related with the identity basically, because in previous video I also explained about the identity. Okay, how you can form, how you can expand, okay, and then how you factorize. So there are three concepts of the identity. First here we explain, second we expand it, third we factorize with the help of identity. So this is the good idea about the factorizations, because factorization concept, first you know the basically they are depend on the identity. So first you revise the concept of identity, then you revise the concept of expansion, and then you do the practice for the factorization. Okay, then we have another type of questions. Again you do the factorize. So there are two questions in fourth part. Like first question is 8a plus b plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, so now this question is related with the whole cube identity, because there are four terms. So we know that the identity of a plus b whole cube, because there are a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b and plus 3ab square. So first we convert into the form of identity, like 8 is given here. So 8 means 2 of whole cube, b already you put as it is, and then 12, you can write same 6ab square. Okay, so first basically we write down the identity a cube b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so now all terms we convert into the identity to a cube plus b cube plus 3 as it is. A square means 2a of whole square. B, that is as it is. Plus 3 into a means 2a and then b square. Okay, so I think we know the concept 2a square is 4a square. So 3 4 is 12, so we got this term, and 3 2 is 6. So we have this term. So this is the complete conversion in form of like this identity, and now this means a plus b of whole cube. Okay, so this term is convert into form of whole cube. So this is the complete, we are having 2a plus b of whole cube. Okay, the second question, 27 minus 125b cube minus 135a and then plus 225b a square. Okay, so 27, I think that is also we know the factor of 27, that is 3 of whole cube. 125 we know that 5 and b already in cube, so 5b whole cube, and then rest of the terms we put as it is, and then plus 225 of a square. Okay, so since we use the identity like here a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is a minus b of whole cube. Okay, so one before of this is plus identity, here we use the minus identity. So this is, you convert first, you put as it is, and then minus 3 a square means 3 square, and then b is 5b. Okay, so plus 3 into a is 3, so you put 3 as it is, and then 5b of whole square. Okay, so this is the complete conversion, because 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are 135, and same here 3 3s are 9 and 9 into 25 is 225. So this is the complete conversion of 3 minus 5a of, 5b of whole cube. Okay, so this is the variety of the questions, they are converted into the whole cube form. Okay, one more question, they are added with the different, like because here we discussed about the all type of identities, so one this identity is remaining, so now here we do this identity. So factorize like 27x cube plus y cube minus z cube, then minus 9xyz. Okay, so first again this is related with the whole cube identity, like the 27 is given, it means this is the cube of 3, so 3x of whole cube plus y cube plus z cube, and then minus 9x, y and z. Okay, so also we know the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c. Okay, so this is the identity, we use the concept of this identity, and then because now we have the a, that is 3x, b is y and c is z, if we convert it into this form, so this is the 3x of whole cube plus y cube plus z cube, and then minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Okay, so this is the conversion of a plus b plus c, so you can write 3x plus y plus z, and then the next bracket is a square, it means 3x of whole square, y square as it is, z square as it is, minus ab, a means 3x into y, bc, y into z, and then minus c, z into 3x. Okay, so 3x plus y plus z, and then 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Okay, so also you can write in form of the like this type of factors. Okay, the last question is very important question because this question is very important for the any competitive exams. This type of questions they are already, because this is very important because your concept is what, without actual calculating the cubes you find the value. Okay, so now in this type of question we use the concept of identity and then directly we write down the answer, because this not here you taking the like 12 cube and then 7 cube and then 5 cube and then you simplify the all numbers and then you got the answer. But concept is very easy. Okay, so all a cube plus b cube plus c cube we have here. So this is the basically we use the identity. This identity here we use. So use the identity here also same. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If a plus b plus c and then a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca we have. But here this condition is given only, but here we have this three terms, not 3abc we have, not this type of terms we have. So first you will find the basic concept. So first you will write down the basic equations like minus 12 cube and then plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, so we know first value of a, that is minus 12, b 7 and c is 5. Okay, then first we find the addition because we have a plus b plus c. So first write down the factor like a plus b plus c. So you put the value minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, so we got 0. Okay, if we got the 0 a plus b plus c, then condition is what? If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then formula is convert into a cube plus b cube plus c cube, which is equal to 3abc. Okay, so now we have the condition of this. So this is the basic formula. If our a plus b plus c is 0, and now already we have in this form, so our answer is 3 into a is minus 12, b is 7 and c is 5. Okay, so 3 7 are 21, 12 5 are minus 60. Okay, so we have the answer like minus here 21. So 0 first we put, 6 1 is 6 and 6 2 is 12, 1 2 6. Okay, so that is very easy going. But in case of only you can find here a plus b plus c equal to 0, so that is possible only. If a plus b plus c 0, that is not 0, then this is not possible. You use this type of identity. Okay, next question also we know like minus 8 cube plus minus 5 cube plus minus 3 cube. Okay, so we know the value a equal to 8, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 3. So we have, first we check here a plus b plus c is 8 minus 5 minus 3 0. Okay, so we write down the condition. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus, which is equal to 3abc. Okay, so directly you put the value 3 into 8 into minus 5 into minus 3, because now here there are two terms are minus. So minus minus plus, 5 3s are 15, so 3 3s are 9 you can write here, and then 5 8s are 40 you can write 40 here. So 9 4s are 36, you have answer is 360. Okay, so now it is very easy going because minus minus plus you got 360. Okay, but if you do the like whole cube terms and then simplify, so that is very time taking. But you can use the concept of the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. But condition is what there. First you check out a plus b plus c equal to 0, and then you use the concept of that type of identity. Okay, so now I think overall all identities here we use in the form of like concept factorizations. So there is no confusion between the identities, between the questions, because all variety of the identities here we include with the help of some examples like completing the square, factorize, like there are two terms. It may be here all type of identities here we use and all examples here we like done. Okay, so all are very easy because of only you revise the concept of identity, then all identities, all factorizations, all expansions, they are very easy. Okay, so I think you enjoy with the factorization method of factorization, because in which all the type of questions here including. So thank you for watching this video. Now if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjay.